later than I actually wanted to start, but this is my van. I'm parked. The parking lot has gotten pretty full in the past hour. I'm gonna take off now. This is the start of the Mount Seymour Trail. Mount Seymour Park Trail, whatever. Yeah, but that's where I am. There is a huge hiking travel group, so I'm better gonna fucking hurry up to not having to deal with like 30 people walking behind me, because I kind of want to be on my own when I hike, which is, yeah, kind of normal, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and let's see. It's 9:03 and I decided to go back. It is now 9:17 and now I'm really starting to hike. I had to go back to check on the lines if everything is closed so that no one can look into it, because I'm gonna be leaving this thing for at least 5 hours. Yeah, and now I'm starting. This is it. Started with a sunny sky and now we're down to this. Tonight it's gonna rain like crazy, so I'm just enjoying the last few non-rainy hours, minutes, who knows, in dollar time. As you might hear, I am in somewhere around North Vancouver right now, and I don't know this area at all. It's the first time I've ever been here, so I don't really know where to park tonight yet. I do want to cook a little bit. I've been looking forward to that meal for quite a while because I still have This little beauty. You can see it in the shadow. My cilantro plant. It's not a plant. It's just a bunch submerged in water in the hope to keep it fresh. And it lasted 3 days? 2 days? Something like that. So it's still pretty neat, actually. But I still want to get rid of most of it tonight. And so I want to make some pasta. Probably just rice pasta with cilantro, zucchini, avocado, and lime. Maybe some vegan cheese, but just because I have it, and I'm afraid that it will go nasty sometime soon, because I just occasionally put it, turn my fridge on. Let's get started. I just hope you can see this. So you have to just live with this. Yeah, I'm a real beginner, as you can tell. Okay, let's start the cooking. I hope it's still recording. Let's see how long this is gonna be recording. Oh god, now I can't get my thing out. Okay. Most important thing, obviously, is my little stove. Well, not really most important. You need ingredients to cook. Let's pop the table up, put this baby up. The butane is already in there. It's in here. So now I just have to switch that and turn this, and that's all connected and can make fire. We need a pot. I'm gonna use the pan. This is my pan. Oh god.